Page 6, Good King Wenceslas. 4/4 time. Let's talk about this. Got quarter notes and half notes and things. I think we can handle that. You're starting out with the right hand on middle C. The thumb is there. That puts you here. And the left hand, when it comes in, is going to be fourth finger on the G. That puts you here. You're still in middle C position. And we just go over it real slowly. Just quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're just using these notes here. Just follow along and play what they're telling you to play. I don't want to spoon feed it to you. I need you to be able to read the music. You need to know the names of the notes. You need to know how to count it out. And I explain all of that in the method video. So go back to the method book, whatever it is, and go through that book and those videos, and that will help you out on this. So I need you to practice it, learn it, get to where you can play it straight through, no wrong notes, no hesitations anywhere. Every beat's got to be right there. And when you can do that, then come back and play it with me, and we'll check the notes that you're playing to make sure they're the right notes at the right times. So, and we're going to go slow. I'm not going to perform it. You can do that on your own. Yeah, go ahead and put your hands in C position, and I'll give us 4 counts. I'll go 1, 2, ready, go, and then we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.